This is a last modeling tutorial, and now we will model some accessories, copy them on the bath perhaps. Also, I will show you the process of creating a towel. Also, we will add more details to the step for the window, and also I will show you how to create a toilet, but it won't be visible in my render because I'm going to have scene such like this. So firstly, let's stick to the accessories. I have a reference image. It's 5 boxes, so let's create them. Okay, simple rectangle with line tool. So type in 70 and let's close the rectangle and make a group. Open the group and now use arc tool to bevel the edges. You can copy these lines. Copying will ensure that these lines are the same and the corners will be same. So it's a move tool. Also, let's now select 2 edges, 2 arcs, and also copy them. Before placing in position, scale them by -1, and then you can get them into position. Okay, when we have a position, we can erase the corners, sharp corners, and leave only beveled edges. Also, now use a offset tool and type in 2 millimeters. 2 is okay. And now let's extrude our box. It's too short, let's make it higher. Okay, we have one box now. Select everything and let's soften smooth edges by 20 degrees. And now we need a top. So let's use offset tool. Make this side a groove. Open it and extrude by 2 millimeters. Maybe 4, 2 plus 2. And now close this plane and this plane. Now we can erase. Maybe let's erase this line. Now select the inner plane and deselect the plane, leave only edges and delete them. Add some details by rounding corners. Let's say 0.5 millimeter and 2 segments. Okay, we also need a handle. Make sure the handle is in the center and it's a rectangle, not a rectangle but a square. Make a group and extrude it. Now copy the face and push. Now use offset tool and extrude. It's a handle. Let's round the edges. 0.5 millimeter and 2 segments. Okay, we have a handle and we have a first box made. Maybe it's too large. Make it smaller. Now we can copy, open, and only delete the handle and make some circles. This will be a box for example, for teeth brushes. Copy, for example, let's say it's 4 circles and extrude all of them. It's good. Maybe you can round the edges, but it's not necessary. Okay, let's see what we have in reference image. Yes, we have one. Maybe let's create a one bigger. Delete the top and enlarge it. Okay, and now create a box for the tab. So let's copy the box with top and handle, erase the handle. Well, maybe let's enlarge it and create a tab. It's simple. Circle, make a group, open it and extrude. Make sure you get it in the right position. Now select the top one circle and scale it, pushing Ctrl on your keyboard. What we have, well, maybe let's go back. Use now push and Ctrl on your keyboard. Now use scale and Ctrl on your keyboard. Now we can extrude the image, the circle. Use offset tool and extrude it again. It's good. Close the face now and erase these lines. We now go to round edges and type in, I don't know exactly now, for example 10 millimeters. We need more, so 25 is too much, so 20. Well, not good. What about 50? 5? Okay, 5 is okay. More segments, 6 segments, and round. It's good. Only a pipe left. So create a line. In my case, it needs welding. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle. Not a rectangle, but triangle. And with arc tool, I will make an arc. Delete these lines. And lift up this line. It's good. Only a pipe along path plugin is left to use, so type in 6 millimeters and 4, let's say 15 segments. Well, it's too thin, it's too fat, so let's make it thinner. Select the line, always select the line and only then pipe along path. 3 and 2. Good now. You see there are some bad things, so go back, enlarge the line. Now type in 12 and 8 and make this component now smaller. Grab the corner and place into the position. It's not in the position yet. I got some lag, sorry. It's okay now. Here we go. Only maybe let's round edges. 0.3 and 2 segments. It's okay. So we have created some accessories. We will add a wood material on them. Now maybe let's round these walls by 1 millimeter. 1.3 millimeter will be okay in 3 segments. Erase is plain. Well, make our step more detailed. Make it wooden. So create a top by drawing some lines. So first line 36 and close this rectangle. Make it group and extrude it a little bit around these edges. It's okay. It would be a wooden step, and it's time for towel. It's also simple to create. Let's draw a simple circle and let it be 4 millimeters radius. Make a group. Well, maybe it's too small. Make it bigger. 10 millimeters. Make a group and extrude. Copy one circle and draw some lines. Make sure you close the rectangle. We have a plane now, and we can make a group. Select also the top one and make a group. Open it. Select all the lines except this one, so we can delete it. There are more lines, more segments, so separate them from the line, make it not touching, or it's good now. Well, maybe let's weld this line. It's good. Select everything, make weld, don't close, don't find faces. Good, and now use offset tool, 4 millimeters, and try to close the face. It's almost done. I always have some problems while doing this. Now we can, of course, erase this plane and separate and extrude the towel. Okay. Now we are going to cut it with the knife tool. After you are done, select everything and subdivide it. When it will be finished, we will smooth and subdivide and smooth the edges. So select, subdivide and smooth, and one iteration is okay. And here we go, we have a towel. You can also use a radial bending to modify it, or for example sculpting tools. I'm not going to do it. I showed you how to. Only let's make this pipe realistic. I got lag. Well, maybe let's grab this component and drag them. Good, and make this pipe just like that. Okay, and make sure it's closer. You can also draw a line, 2 lines. If it's too long, do something like this. And now extrude this plane, and do the same thing in this side. Simple line, select them and follow. Erase these circles. You can color it by white color. And here we go, we have a towel. And only one thing left is a toilet. It won't be visible in the renders, so I won't show you all the procedure of creating it. And the main thing is to create some lines, and these lines are created the line tool and arc tool. I showed you how to create them while we were modeling a bath. And when these lines are created, you only need to use a extrude edges by rails. So let's select this line, first layer rail curve, second rail curve, and melding profile, and it will create a plane. I will stop the video now. Okay, the plugin finished his job and we have such a result. So click no, 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 and no, no again, and no. Okay, we have such a plane. Now only a copying and reversing the face left, reverse it by 0, minus, not 0 but minus 1, minus 1, and you can explode these faces, draw a line down there. It will close the shape, the object, the component, and also you will need a top. It's simple to create. On the plane, use offset tool, then extrude it and make a top, round edges if you want, and you will have a toilet. Also you can create a box there for pushing the water, and you will have a toilet. Okay, so this was the last tutorial in which I showed you how to create accessories, a towel. We added some more details, and don't be afraid adding details to your renders. So good luck in your modeling. We will meet on lessons in which we are going to texture and render the images.